Hello, I'm Steven. This is SPL 4 major DBMS products on the market. First things first, we gotta know what a DBMS or database management system is. It's basically a software package designed to just work with data in a database in general. And because of how they're structured, they will always provide data independence, which separates programs, which is a separation of programs, which allows you to change certain aspects of each level of programs without needing to change the code to the next highest level schema. So you can change the hardware without having to change the code, or you can change the code without having to change the UI, stuff like that. And there's also, it needs to ensure that there's data integrity, which is correct data, not incorrect stuff created by human error and whatnot. And the person who oversees all of the database management systems is a database administrator. There's also different types of database management systems, 4 main ones that I could find. Relational, which is the most widely used. Basically, it's a bunch of tables, or a bunch of data put into tables, and the data in each of the tables could reference data from other tables. And because of how they reference each other, that maintains data integrity. Flat database is just single records, fixed number of fields, and it's the most problematic one because data can be repeated, and it's not the best. Object oriented, is just organize data into objects. Objects are data and methods, and classes are groups of objects with similar data and methods. Hierarchical database, just organized in a arbitrary hierarchy, and it can be really bad if hierarchical relationships get violated, in real life. And now to the main point of the present SPL, major database products. SolarWinds, it basically does SQR and analysis and whatnot. It supports cross-platform, can even do machine learning. That's pretty cool. And it has cloud database, so you can work on the cloud. Pretty good. Makes sense why it's one of the most popular. Another one is Oracle RDBMS. It's the most widely used object relational database management software, so it's got object oriented going for it. It supports Windows, Unix, and Linux. And it securely supports large databases, so got big data, and it processes things quickly, as from my research anyways. Then there's IBM DB2, uses assembly, C, and C++, different languages than the other two, so could be useful. It supports Windows, Unix, and Linux, so it also works on those operating systems. It's easy to install, just has easier to use, and it can save lots of data, petabytes, from my research. All-to-base. It's a hybrid database. It does data processing through in-memory database proportion, and it has a lot of storage because it has an on-disk database portion. So that's hybrid, in-memory and on-disk. It's pretty cool, I suppose. And then Microsoft SQL Server works on Linux and Windows and is compatible with Oracle. And it also lets multiple users work on the same database at the same time. So that's pretty cool. And that's about it. Wikipedia to learn about more databases. Another website to learn more about databases as well. This is where I got my database product information. Mostly, I just took the top 5 basically. And that's it.